So greetings everyone, welcome to this channel. We will continue our Python syntax on what is called new lines. In Python, a new line is generally indicates the end of a statement, similar to a period in English. So to separate statements on the same line without a new line character are usually not allowed in Python. To separate statements on the same line without a new line character are not usually allowed. Look this example. Message is equal to this is the first line. So to denote a new line in Python we use /n. So everything after this will be a new line. Everything after /n will be a new line. So this is the second line, and again another new line. Anything after this /n, and this is the third line. So when we print this message, this is the first line, and come to the new line, it comes to here, and this is the second line, and there is /n, so it has to come to the new line. So this is how we put this /n syntax in Python. So let's write this in Jupyter Notebook. So as usual, we come to Anaconda Navigator and we launch the Jupyter Notebook. So we come here, and our project file is actually on the desktop. On the desktop we have Python tutorial. We open this, and then again we want to write new Python 3. So let's call this file as what? New line. Py new line syntax, and rename. So the message is a variable. We will see what a variable is in the future. And this is the first line, and then /n. This is the second line, /n. This is the last line, the third line, the last line. So let me run, and let me write print message. So message means this one. These all values will be assigned to message, and run it. Look. So why we have this? Because I have put a space here. So you don't have to put a space, and save and run it. So all lines will be aligned. So we can write this one by one. Message 1 is equal to this. This is the first line, and you come in message 2. Message 2 is equal to this is the second line, and this okay. Message 3 is equal to this is. Actually, it is good to write like this, space and space, so that it will be readable. Okay, this is the last line. So we can print message 1 and also print message 2 and print message 3. So run it. So the answer is the same. So instead of writing these 6 lines of code, we can finish within 2 lines of codes. So this and these are the same. So if you want to denote a new line, then we use /n in Python. Thank you for watching. We will continue seeing our Python syntax. And finally, as usual, don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice time.